Hi, my smart friend. Welcome back to my class. I'm sure before coming to this class, you must have watched the video on addition because this video is talking about other words for addition. So right now, I'm not trying to start teaching addition again. I am trying to show you other ways you can be asked to do addition in mathematics. So now that you are in grade 1 or grade 2 or a higher class and you are learning mathematics, you don't expect addition questions to always come as what is 2 plus 3 or what is 4 plus 5. No, there are ways you can be asked to do addition without being told it is addition. Pay attention in this video and you will learn them in this video. My name is Master Valour and this is Some Global. All right, here are the words that you will be using to do addition in mathematics. They are not difficult, okay? So don't be afraid, okay? I want you to relax. Are you relaxed? Relax and focus. You can learn them, okay? Very simple. The first one is plus. Now, in the other video when I taught you addition, I was saying plus, 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 because plus is just the sign for addition, okay? Whenever you hear the word plus, it simply means we are adding. And the next one is add. So, still plus. Add means plus. So when you hear add, you are saying plus. So let me give you an example. Now I have a question that says, what is 3 plus 5? So you already know, and in the solution, you are going to do what? 3 plus 5. So you just have to put the plus sign and then you now do your work, right? So I am 3 and then I'll put 5 fingers. You remember? Yeah. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that's just 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. Finished. And that's plus. No big deal. Now I have a question that says add 2 and 6. It says add. So I'm just going to do add, right? I'm going to add the numbers. Solution. So 2 plus 6. Since it says add, we add. So the first number becomes me, and then I'll put the second number on my fingers. So I have 2. So I'll count 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that's it. 2 plus 6 is 8. So that's it. They are very simple, so I don't want you to be worried about them, okay? So this and this out of the way. Now I move on to more. More can also be said as extra. Okay, so if you don't say more, you say extra. So let's do a question on it. Okay, look at this question. It says, I have 5 apples and I received 4 more apples. How many apples do I have now? Now, you know I had some apples before, right? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I received 4 more. 4 more. 4 more. So when you hear 4 more, it means that I'm going to have to count everything together because everything is now mine. So together you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is me using the drawing of apples to solve the question. And that is 9 apples altogether, right? Oh, I just said altogether, and that is the next thing. Okay, now they are all simple. They are all simple. Okay, now solution. So I will just do 5 plus 4 because I received more apples. So the more apples I receive, the bigger apples I have. So 5, I keep 5. I am 5, so I keep 4 fingers. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 apples. So I have 9 apples right now. That's it. Now, how about extra? How can I put extra in the question? Well, the way I can put extra in the question is just to remove more from the question. So that's it. So you say, I have 5 apples and I received 4 extra apples. How many apples do I have now? It's the same thing. It's the same question. It's the same thing. Everything is the same. And the answer is the same answer. Okay, so 9 apples. Away from that, we move to all together. In the last question, I already said all together without even knowing. So all together simply says we should add. Okay, so we have Sam is 5 years old and Dan is 9 years old. How old are they all together? So meaning that I should solve by saying 5 plus 9. And mind you, what I'm writing here is solution. Before I solve my question, I have to write solution to tell you that I am solving the question. So I'll keep 5 and I'll put 9 fingers. So 5, then 9 fingers. So we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So altogether, they are 14 years old. Altogether, they are 14 years old. Okay. Now, the next one we are talking about is in all. So here we have a question. You went to pick grapes with your friend. After picking, you had 7 and he had 5. How many grapes did you pick in all? So in all says all together, okay? Just like the last one, all together. So now let me solve here. Solution. So you picked 7 and he picked 5. So in all means we are going to put everything together. That is in all. So whether we say all together or we say in all, we are still saying the same thing. So 7, 5 fingers, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So that will give us 12 grapes. And that's it, finished. The next question. Now we have done in all. I want to talk about these two because they mean the same thing. Whether you say combine or you say join, you are still talking about the same thing, just like you said when we talked about more or extra. So it's either you are saying combine two things or you are saying join two things. Okay? They are not different, they are the same word. So let me give an example. So maybe you have 2 apples and your sister has 4 apples and then you want to join them, right? So what do you do? Solution. So it means we should add 2 and 4. That's it. To join means to combine, and to combine also means to add. So we are adding them together. We have 2. I am 2. So I'm going to keep 4 fingers. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So 6 apples. If you are watching this video and you have understood what I talked to you about addition before coming to this video, then you will be understanding how I'm getting my numbers very fast. So if you have not watched that video, go back and understand how to add your numbers first before coming back to this. Okay? All right. So now let's say I decide to say combine instead of join, right? So when I say combine 2 apples and 4 apples, it's still 2 plus 4 and that's 6 apples. Okay, so done. And then we go to together. So most likely you'll be asked to put together in most questions. Or they can also say bring together. Okay, so let me give you an example. Right, here you go. Put 5 oranges and 8 apples together. Do you like oranges? Do you like apples? Are both of them fruits? Oh yes, both of them are fruits. So we are asked to put them together and we are asked how many fruits are there. Well, this is what I wanted you to see. Put together. So put together simply means add. Are you paying attention to what I'm saying? It simply means we should plus the numbers that are given in the question. So solution. So we say 5 plus 8 and then you become 5 and then you keep 8 fingers and then you count 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So you will have 13 fruits. Finished. 13 fruits, and we are out of there. Okay, you noticed I also circled these two together. The reason is because they behave the same way, okay? Just like the other ones I had before, more, extra, or combine, join. So sum or total still means the same thing in a question. So they are just saying what is the answer you will get when you add some numbers together. Okay? That's just it. Whether you use the word sum in a question or you use the word total in a question, it still means we should add and get a particular answer. They want to know the answer we will get. We have a question that says find the sum of 7 pencils and 4 pencils. So it simply means what is the answer I will get when I do 7 plus 4. That is the meaning of the word sum. Okay. Now, but when it comes to sum global, it means simple, unique math global. That is sum global. Okay, so that is where we got sum global from. Now, let's go back to sum, right? 7 plus 4. I'm going to become 7 and I'm going to put out 4 fingers, and that will be 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So that is 11 pencils. So the sum of 4 pencils and 7 pencils is 11 pencils. And likewise, if you are asked to find the total, so let's remove sum and say total. Find the total of 4 pencils and 7 pencils. That is still 11 pencils. I hope you paid attention, and I hope you have understood these other words that we can use for addition. And I hope that when you see them in questions, you can answer those questions. Yeah? See you in our next class. Bye bye.